How's your nap? How's your nap? Ay, ayaw pa ng kausap ng nakungkong. Ayaw pa ng kausap. Ayaw pa ng kausap. Can I kiss you? Can I kiss you, baby? Ay, naku. Parang hindi maganda ang gising nila. Ay, anong gusto? Anong gusto? Anong gusto ng baby ko? Oy, hug mama. Hug mama. Hug mama. Dandan need the hug from mama. Betul na? Yun na, dede. Yun na, dede. Mama will make a dede. Mama will make a dede. Look. Look, oh. I'm fixing all of your things. Huh? Look. Mama is sorting out your clothes. It's too small. It's a big boy. Mama is fixing Dandan's closet. Dandan's closet. Ay, naku. Ay, naku. Yung bibig nila. Yung bibig nila parang... Excuse me. Gutom na yung baby namin. Ay, tingnan mo naman ang bibig. Oh, talagang gutom. Gutom talaga siya. I'm gonna take a video of Dandan because Mama will have a copy. So when you go and leave the house and you have your own family, Mama will gonna watch this one. Mama will gonna watch all of the videos that I took. If you're not gonna come and visit me, at least I have video to watch. Ay, na-boring kayo sa kwento ko. Ay, sa sinasabi ko. Mama is so drama. Too early for that. Grow up so fast. Don't grow up so fast, ano. I want to hug you. I want to cuddle you. When you grow up, you don't want to hug Mama. When you grow up, you should still hug Mama. Ay, Diyos ko. Nagugutom talaga sila. Ay, naku, Diyos ko po. Ay. Tara. Ayan, gising na ang boss ko. Paano tayo ngayon yan? Asa na yung phone ni Mama? Ay, yan pala. Kumukuha pa na ng video si mama, no? Okay. After you dede, gonna go in your car seat or bouncer so that mama can still do things. Ano po? Then after you gonna play, napuyat ka, no? Napuyat ang dandan ko. Look at the feet naman, it's so busy. Why nagdedede ka? Look at your feet. It's so malikot pa rin, ano? Habang nagdedede na exercise lahat, parang yan sa paa mo. Ano nangyayari sa paa ng baby ko? Hindi pa magkakalaya yan, Ayan, ang lalaki. Ang tataba. Ang sarap namang kurutin yan. Sarap kurutin yung mukha nila. I love you, no?